And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mix Wars and welcome to another episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the Plutine Gundam from the Gundam Build Metaverse. Yes, so we did have in Gundam Divers Rise the Core Gundam with the planet armor system, and it all went up to just the 8 major planets, but ever since Pluto got redefined again as one of the major planets, so I think you just have to make it, which is this one, Plutine Gundam, which is actually Pluto and 9 put together. So in the box art we see here Plutine Gundam, we see here the new Core Gundam, and of course the Pluto armor from the planet system. And off to the side we see here Plutine Gundam, the gimmicks that you can do with it. And it says here, I think this is a point wherein it is based on the settings Ecopla is being used for armor parts. So I'm not sure, but probably the black parts here are made the same way how Ecopla was made. And this is, by the way, the 6th in this line. And off to the other side, putting Gundam back and forth, front and back I mean, and of course the show wherein you can scan it, and I think you can go there to gundambm.net and of course view the details. So let's see what's inside the box. First off, we see one bag with 3 sprues, so one multicolor and one all gray. Yep. Second is all white and 2 all white and a beam saber effect. Third bag is the black armor parts, and of course the flyer. And last bag, multicolored one and some PC and some stickers. And of course, let's not forget the please go out, the instruction manual, wherein we have the information here about Plutine Gundam. Of course, that pilot is still Hiroto from Gundam Build Divers Rise. And yes, it says here that it is also extra instruction manual. Oh, there's an extra instruction manual online, huh? Something new. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, first off we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some violet parts, or purple, dark blue parts, clear green, and of course some lime green parts. So this is for the shield for the Core II Gundam. And yeah, most of the armor parts for the Core Gundam. We then have the B sprue, which is all black, and I think which is the selling point or the checkpoint in the manual says that this was made the same way as Ecopla was made. So recycling. And then we have the C sprue here, which is all gray, so we see parts for the limbs, the body, shield, backpack. And we have the D sprue, which is mainly the flyer for the planet armor system, so most of the armor parts will go here. Then we have the E, which is some new parts for the Core Gundam. And then we have F, which is for the weapons of the armor of a Plutine Gundam. The feet there we see. And we have 2 G sprues, which is all white, so this is basically the white parts of the Plutine Gundam armor. And yeah, we do have some PC sprue here, and of course saber beam effects, and a sticker sheet. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 1/144 HG Gundam build Metaverse Plutine Gundam, which actually completes all 9 major planets of our solar system made into the planet armor system developed by Hiroto. And this is Mixwar saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, sharing the other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.